It's an earthquake! Quack! Let's get out of here!
Wait! Don't run yet! You might get hit! We should find a place to hide right now! Where is the safest place to hide? Phew! It's much safer to hide under the table! Hiding in the corner is safer. Protect your head! Great! Blackie and Rocky are safe for now.
Dad! Huh? The earthquake stops? So, we can run outside now?
No, I'd better take cover. Kids, when the shaking stops, we need to quickly go outside and find an open area.
Okay.
Help them find the exit. Phew! We found a safe open space.
Boo! The earthquake is scary. That's right. But why would there be an earthquake? Oh! There must be a big monster hiding underground! Quack! Great! No monsters here, so there won't be any earthquakes.
The earthquake isn't caused by a big monster underground. It's actually because the Earth's plates are moving.
Quack? Plates?
That's right. The Earth is like a cracked egg. Its surface is divided into several tectonic plates.
What do these plates look like?
Tap to see what the plates look like. Look, there are both ocean and land on the plates. And they're all mixed together. Drag to put the plates together correctly.
Whoa! The surface of the Earth is made of plates! Quacky, look! An earthquake is still happening on Earth! Oh no! We must save our planet! Hey! Cool! Quacky has become Superman!
Well then, let's head for the Earth now.
Let's go!
Look, the tectonic plates are moving. Where they are moving, there's earthquakes. Find the place where the movement is the strongest. The plates are crashing into each other. Where they collide, there's an earthquake. That's why earthquakes happen.
Quack! This is where the earthquake is happening! Let's go and save people!
Okay.
Yeah!
Oh no! They are trapped! We need to help them. Drag the fire extinguisher to put out the fire.
Phew! Thank you!
Drag it upwards to remove the trash can. Thank you so much. Drag to remove the debris. Thank you. Great! You saved everyone! You guys are big heroes! Thank you all.
You guys are amazing.
Quacky!
Oops. It turns out we're in a science museum.
The earthquake simulation has finished. Please exit the Science Museum in an orderly manner.
Kids, remember, you can't rush around during an earthquake. You have to take cover.
We have to take cover in a safe place.
And wait for the earthquake to stop before we can run outside and find an open space.
Yes, that's right. You should get more exercise to be as smart and agile as I am. It'll help you protect yourself. Got it?
Go, go, go! We're the plates!
Tectonic plates ready to collide.
Then I'm a plate too. Plates collide and an earthquake occurs. Ow! Ow!